Heard a hit. Alright, hang on. Yep, grab that charging handle, pull it back, and now let her rip. Hang on. Pull it back. Alright. Let go. Pull it back and let it, there you go. Alright. We're running without oil, so that's why she's... There you go. Your next one on. I'm hearing it. Oh, yeah, you're good.
Damn, I lost sight of my bottles now.
You probably knocked that over.
I can't see them.
I know what I need to know. She's functioning 100%.
I don't see the bottles no damn where.
She blow a few into the dirt bank. I don't care. Find something to put holes in.
We'll find out how fast this somebody to unload them.
All right, empty it.
Empty. You gonna make me want to buy one of these some bitches?
I'll build you one. I got one waiting to be built. I got one that's 2 parts away from being that one.
You gonna make me want to build one of these some bitches?